Today we're going to unbox the Makera Z1, a small desktop CNC that I intend to use for milling aluminum. Hey, welcome back to Advanced Geekery. My name is David Gowertz, and today we're going to be unboxing the Makera Z1, a small desktop CNC that I intend to use for milling aluminum. Now, this thing will mill wood and plastics and that sort of thing, but I have a much bigger CNC that I've used for, well, it's a 4-foot long CNC back over there that I've been using for building like our cabinet shelving things and drawers and that kind of stuff. But what I really want to do is mill detailed aluminum parts, and that's what I want to use this for. Now, this also came with a vacuum system, which we'll hook up later, but I'm going to take it out of the way so I have room to start setting up the actual device itself, or start opening up the actual device itself. I'm just going to mostly take it out and show you what it's like once the box is open, but let's get started and see what we get. Everything is kind of like taped into itself, including these corner pieces. So I'm sort of going to have to just carve this thing out. Oh, cool. All right, so this is getting exciting. This is a vacuum bed. I am really excited about a vacuum bed. This is awesome. And this, which is very heavy, is the material kit for what's inside the Makera. Let's see if we can take a quick look at that. Oh yeah, look at this. That's exciting. Blocks of stuff, aluminum, bunch of pieces of aluminum. It'll be fun to work with. This is going to be great. This is very exciting. Bigger pieces of aluminum, some Delrin underneath. Pieces of wood. Ooh, brass. A brass sheet. I did not know I would be able to mill brass. That is really cool. All right, let me just move this stuff out of the way and get further into this thing. I am now really excited because I knew about the aluminum. I didn't know about the brass. There's a box inside the box. Okay, so we have another entire carton inside the carton. So that's next. I'm going to get this one out and then I'll start dealing with this. All right, I've got the outer box off of here. Now it's time to get inside the inner box. Okay, the box sides are down. I'm going to take them off and then we'll start digging inside the machine. For anyone who's curious, let me show you how much cardboard was on this thing, because it's basically very, very heavy duty cardboard reinforced with a lot of plastic tape, so it just does not come off easily. It's undone from the cardboard. We have a plastic bag that almost fell loose, but let's just work our way through. We have instructions and a packing list, and then this piece of plastic comes off. More packing. There's the actual machine right here. It's kind of exciting. This program is sponsored in part by the Advanced Geekery weekly newsletter. Want exclusive access to my latest ZDNet articles, behind-the-scenes updates on my projects, and must-watch YouTube videos curated just for you? How about fascinating reads from around the web and a chance to have your own project spotlighted? It's all in the newsletter. And the best part, subscribing is absolutely free. Don't wait, click the link below to get your weekly issue and make it awesome. So it looks like my next task is to remove the styrofoam base so that I can get the machine out from it. Alright, one down. Alright, now on top of that's all the plastic, so let's get rid of the plastic. All right, so let's see what's inside the box. And then this lifts up like that. And there's more stuff inside. So let's slowly... All right, we have an engraving module. An engraving module. A lot more black foam. This is a milling bit set. Oh, this is cool. This is the 4th axis controller. The thing that lets it work on 4 axes. I was hoping this kit would come with this. This is cool. This is a toolkit. Come on. There we go. It is a low profile vise. So, a lot of goodies in this thing. All right, I'm going to wrap this video here because I've got to get rid of a whole pile of stuff and then learn this thing and figure out how it works and set it up. So I will stop at this point, wrap this video, and then be back with some observations once I actually carve some stuff on the Z1. But it's pretty cool. Definitely took a lot of packaging material to get to it, but it's here, it's hard won, and I'm excited. I really am. For Advanced Geekery, my name is David Gewertz. Go out there and mill something awesome.